Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share for you guys about a tool that can help you automatically download short video from any social media platform like YouTube, TikTok, Douyin or Instagram Reel. Uh, so we come to the interface of our software. Here is our software can help you automatically downloading all the video from all the platform like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Douyin, or Quaishou, the trailer platform. In here, we can automatically download all the short video for no watermark, low logo. Uh, so we come to the first function, scan function download. In here, you can see we can scan with the user or the hashtag. So we can come to the keyword first, like dance. You can choose any keyword. It depends on your marketing. So for example, I just scan about 20 video. Okay, after a few seconds, you can see here on the video of the TikTok with the keywords dance. Uh, as you can see here, you can see the own information of the video like comment, like, transmission, share. So if you want to download any video, just click on the video you want to download first. Like in I choose here, I just choose the video with about more than 1 million like. I just sample. You can come to the video download configuration like this. So you can choose the folder you want to save your video like in here. So after everything was done, we can start right now. And as you can see here, on your video you choose when will start of downloading. After everything was done, we can come to the folder like this. You can see in here on the video I just download will appear into here. It will have low watermark and low logo at all. You can using this video to editing or posting into other platform like Facebook or Instagram to get more view or more traffic. So if you want to edit more than one video in the same time, you can come to the editing function. So in here you can choose the function feature in here like convert MP4 to MP3, cut the video, add color, and add your logo, give text, or do anything with the function do you want to do here. Just upload your video into here, and it will automatically editing with more video with all your video in the same time. So if you want to know about this software and with other with function in here like setting or posting into your social media, just contact me in the bio, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.